In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Spline design to Three.js using code export. If you've created a 3D scene in Spline and want to bring it into a web project powered by Three.js, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll understand exactly how to get clean, ready-to-use code from your design without changing anything in your current workflow. Start by opening your Spline design. Make sure the scene you want to export is the one currently active. This is a good moment to double-check a few basics. Confirm your camera angle is set the way you like, preview any interactions you've built, and verify that your materials and lighting look right in the editor. A quick review helps ensure that what you export matches your creative intent. If your file uses large textures, consider whether everything in the scene is necessary, as smaller and simpler scenes typically perform better on the web. Look to the top right corner of the Spline interface and click the Export button. This is where Spline packages your work into different formats. You'll see options that cater to image and video outputs, but since you're aiming to use the design on the web with JavaScript, you'll want the option that provides code rather than just visual assets. Choose Code Export. This tells Spline you're not just saving a static file. You want a developer-friendly output that can be embedded into a website or app. Code Export usually preserves your scene structure, materials, and any supported interactions, translating them into a format that's ready for integration. From the available code options, select Three.js. Three.js is one of the most popular JavaScript libraries for rendering 3D graphics in the browser, and Spline's exporter builds the setup you need to display your scene there. Behind the scenes, Spline prepares the scene data and references to any textures or assets necessary to recreate your design in Three.js. This choice keeps the look and feel of your Spline scene while giving you the flexibility to customize behavior in code later on. And that's it. Done. Your export is ready. Expect an output that includes your scene data and references you can plug into a Three.js project. Keep an eye on file sizes and performance. If you notice heavy textures or many lights, simplifying your scene in Spline before exporting can improve load times. If something doesn't look quite right after export, it's often due to differences in how real-time rendering handles materials or post-processing, so minor material tweaks may help. You've successfully taken your Spline design and prepared it for Three.js with code export.